In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to ConvertKit and sync your leads automatically. We're going to walk through the full setup in a simple, practical way so that whenever someone submits your Typeform, their information can be sent straight into ConvertKit without any manual copying or follow-up work. This is a great way to streamline your lead capture process and make sure new subscribers are organized right away. To begin, open Typeform and navigate to the Connect section for the form you want to use. This is where Typeform lets you link your form to other tools and automate what happens after a response is submitted. Once you're there, look for ConvertKit in the list of available integrations and select it to start the connection. Next, you'll need to authenticate your ConvertKit account. Typeform will prompt you to connect using your API credentials or Direct Connect, depending on the option available in your setup. As you do this, make sure you're using the correct account so your leads go to the right ConvertKit workspace. If you manage more than one account, it's worth double checking before moving on. After authentication is complete, Typeform will be able to send data securely into ConvertKit. Once the connection is established, choose how you want incoming leads to be handled inside ConvertKit. You'll typically have the option to assign them to a specific tag or send them into a form. This decision depends on how you organize your audience. Tags are useful if you want to label subscribers based on where they came from or what they signed up for, while forms can be helpful if you already have an existing intake or email sequence tied to that form. Pick the option that best matches your workflow. After that, match the response fields from Typeform to the subscriber attributes in ConvertKit. This means telling the integration which answer should fill in each subscriber detail, such as name, email address, or any custom fields you use. Take your time during this part, because accurate field mapping is what keeps your data clean and useful. If a field is mapped incorrectly, subscribers may be added with missing or misplaced information. When everything looks correct, activate the sync. From that point on, new Typeform responses will flow automatically into ConvertKit based on the settings you chose. It's a good idea to submit a test response afterward so you can confirm that the tag or form assignment works properly and that all subscriber details appear as expected. And that's it. You've successfully connected Typeform to ConvertKit and automated your lead collection process.